We're here at the Lynn Haven Mall to go eat at Dave & Buster's and play some fun games. It's our last full day here at Virginia Beach, and we're going to make the most of it.
Especially since it's supposed to rain later.
Yeah. So,
or any minute.
Let's have fun. Now, this is no fault of the service here at Dave & Buster's. Not at all. The server's doing a fine job. However, there's a group of 25 who just rolled right in after us.
At 11 a.m. 25 people. A party of 25 in Dave & Buster's at 11 a.m. We came here at 11 a.m. when it opened because we're like Friday. We don't want to come on a Friday night. It's going to be really busy, so we should be here when it opens at 11 a.m. Not many people will be there, and there weren't. It looked perfect. Then a group rolls in and like, oh yeah, we got 25 people coming in.
We are just hoping we don't get lost in the shuffle here. So, it only took me 10 minutes to get my Coke. But again, not because of the server, but because he was super occupied with all of them.
And they need another server over here.
You got about like 1 more minute or so on your feet.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Poor guy. Poor guy. And now one of these people has the gall to go over to the employee-only area right over there. It sounded like they were complaining about something. I don't know if they haven't gotten drinks or anything yet. They are the reason that they haven't gotten their drinks. This place is not prepared for all of them.
I'm sure their thought process was the same as ours. Oh, it won't be too busy at 11 o'clock on a weekday, so we'll go then, and it won't be too busy, and we can, all 25 of us can go and play. What they stupidly didn't realize is that, again, 11 a.m. on a Friday, Dave & Buster's isn't going to be staffed enough to accommodate a group of 25. This person has the goal to go into the employees only area. And it's bitch. He and his party are the reason. I just think that was like really rude and presumptive of him. If anybody should be complaining, it's us. We were here first. But we're not, because we know it's not their fault. Not the staff's fault. Anyway, rant over.
It has finally arrived, at long last. My nice chicken sandwich, my fries, mac and cheese, Michi's delicious soup.
It's like a tomato feta soup. It's gluten-free and under 150 calories. And considering those things, this is really damn good.
Good. So, this looks delicious. I'm excited. I just have no aspirations to receive ketchup for my fries, so I'm not even gonna try. So, I'm just gonna eat. Looks good. Life is good.
We decided to get dessert. And this is what we got. I got these little cinnamon donut roll things. I ate one already. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. There were 5. I had one already. They gave me icing to go with it. I might dip a little bit, but maybe not too much. I'm not trying to overdo it. And there is my, this is obviously from Cinnabon. And this is my mocha latte chill, which is delicious. and just a little bit of dessert. And as for Chris, he decided to be even worse than I am, and he got a large chill, and it's like an Oreo one, and he got the center of the roll. What do you have to say for yourself?
It's delicious. And if I weren't on vacation, I'd feel bad. But I'm on vacation, so I don't feel bad. Also, I just wanted to say, I would have filmed more at Dave & Buster's if there was some guy wandering around there basically telling me that I couldn't film in there. He says we're allowed to take pictures of like our friends playing games, but we cannot actually like film the premises. So I had to cut it off. So I'm sorry I can't get more. I'm also a little nervous about actually filming in the mall in general, just because I know from other people's videos I've seen, filming in malls are not technically allowed because for some reason the mall security, or the mall mounties as I lovingly refer to them as, have a stick up their butts about it. I honestly don't know what the deal is. I mean, are there trade secrets that somebody's going to steal?
It's the same situation with the guy at Dave & Buster's. I mean, you can take pictures of your friends playing the games, but you can't do... All you were doing was a panning shot of, like, the room with all the games on video. You weren't videotaping the games. I could understand videotaping the games, but they can take pictures of friends playing games, but they can't video. It's a little odd, but... Fortunately, Dave & Buster's, between the kind of lackluster service, which wasn't our waiter's fault, but the managers were, like, not helping this poor guy out at all when he had a table of 30 people to wait on. Between the managers really not helping out in the service for their, food, the service was not very good. Plus, just the guy that, had a stick up his butt. He was, I understand if that's the rule, but he was kind of a dick. Good food, nice waiter, guy walking around being a jerk, and the kind of slow service. I think Dave & Buster's gets a C+ today. I do like Dave & Buster's a lot. It's fun, but I think I like smaller, more independent arcades like Flipper McCoy's, that you saw a video of earlier, as well as a place in Erie called Playport. It's not as expensive as Dave & Buster's, these places. Granted, you don't have the food, there's not a restaurant in it, but you can they're less expensive in the Playport in Erie. You can put $10 for all day play. Yeah, like all you want to play for $10. And it's just as cool as Dave & Buster's is. I think I like the more independent, for lack of a better word, mom and pop arcades. So Dave & Buster's, you're great, but you kind of sucked today.
The ball has been dropped.
You dropped the ball today. You didn't suck today. You dropped the ball today. So work on that, and maybe be a little more consistent with your rules. If you don't want somebody just filming a panning, sweeping shot of your room, maybe you should also not allow people to take pictures of their friends playing the games. Because that's kind of a copyright thing for the video games, isn't it? You're taking pictures of games that people don't have access to. I don't know how that works, but work on that, Dave & Buster's. We still had fun though. It wasn't a terrible time. Unfortunately, it's raining I'm dropping the phone, all day today. So that was Dave & Buster's was our big thing to do, which we couldn't film and show to you, unfortunately. And now we're having Cinnabon. And it's still raining, and we can't film too much in the mall. We'll probably get in trouble, like Chris said, with the mall mounties. So this might be all you get for our last day video.
We'll see what happens. It might be kind of a lackluster last day. So Michi and I have made the decision, loud vehicle, Michi and I made the decision to end our night, our last night here at Virginia Beach. Decided to end it with a little outdoor walk.
It's crazy windy and kind of chilly. It was kind of cool day, and it rained a good portion of the day. So,
I'm sure she's regretting this already. But you wanted to get out one last time. I mean, you really want to spend your last night at the beach cooped up in a hotel?
I'm starting to reconsider.
Let's take a stroll. A little late night. Not late night, but a little stroll on Atlantic Avenue. Oh, she's fine. Oh no, the alien's head broke. It looks like he's wearing a white beret. Ooh la la. Poor Michi, she can't handle herself in the wind. What's the matter?
I can't see.
The wind is trying to take her hood away. Ice Cur EM, Ice Cur EM, Ice Cur EM.
And that's poop. That would make more sense. It still sounded like an idiot.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh my god, the three best things ever.
Growing hermit crab.
Educative and fun.
Someone ask me one more time how scary we are on a scale from 1 to 10. I'm gonna rip my own leg off and beat them in the head with it.
Oh, rolling in the deep, we could have had it all. It all, we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hands, but you made it to the beach. Oh my love, my darling, I hunger for your touch and love.
It's fun.
Time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much.
I guess I shedded some tears. Told myself time and time again, this time I'm gonna win. But another fight, things ain't right. I'm losing again. Take a fool to lose twice. Start all over again. Think I better let it go. Oh baby, looks like another love TKO. Think I better let it go. Let it go. Let it go, baby. Looks like another love TKO.
Ricky, yeah, every puppet that comes out here has to have a name. I have a name, but it can't be your name. Why? Because you're not a puppet in real life, are you? Sometimes I don't want to know about that. You need to have a puppet name. Like what? I don't care, but you want to pick something you like. Why? Because after the show, yeah, these three boys, yeah, they're probably going to start calling you by this name. I am going to kill them. No, you're not. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not. You're just joking. Just joking, kids. Don't worry. So pick a name that you like. I got one. You do? Yeah. Okay, what puppet name would you like to have? Patty? Patty. Yeah. It's a girl's name. It's Irish. It is. Patio furniture. Okay, that's a really dumb joke. You're the one telling these.
So, This is our last night here at Virginia Beach.
The last windy night.
A very windy night. It's been a fun adventure, and we're glad that you guys could have shared it with us.
Thanks a bunch.
Thanks for watching, you guys. And keep an eye on further adventures of Chris and Michi as we do more stuff. But until then, goodbye, Virginia Beach. We'll see you next year. Maybe.